Hello and welcome to me, Present Times Linux, where today I'm going to be having a look at how to make an application out of Brave Browser, kind of. Okay, so if I go to my browser apps here and go to the PC Linux OS forum, you can see it goes straight to the forum there. You can do this with different sites and basically I will show you how. Okay, so what you will need, being as I'm on open box, and I do apologise for these things, but okay, let's turn it off. So you will need to go to configuration and the open box menu editor. As you can see, I've made a separator and some browser menus here. So we'll add a new item, and on the new item we can call it whatever you feel like, really. I'm just trying to think of a site or something that you can directly go to. Don't really want to use Facebook or anything like that. But just for argument's sake, BBC, right? So we'll just call it BBC site. And what you do is execute, which is what you want, and you want Brave app equals bbc.co.uk, and we'll save that. Okay, so when you come to here now, under browser apps, you've got the BBC site and PC Linux OS forum. So we'll go to the BBC site, make sure everything works, and it says it can't be reached. Now I may have made a mistake there. So let's go back to the let's see what I did wrong. I have a feeling, I do have a feeling, that I forgot the equals. So we'll just go back to the menu editor there, and yeah, that seems fine. Oh, I see what I've done wrong. I forgot to put the actual URL in. And there we go. And I forgot the double slash. Okay, so it's minus app. Hey, listen, I'm new at this. I'm just learning myself. So let's try this again. And as you can see, it doesn't bring up the search bar or anything else. You just straight into the site and where you can read. Of course, this will be resizable. At least I'm assuming so. Yes, it is. So there you go. Your own little BBC website. Of course, you can go to more TV, art, sound, weather. Great for watching the old news. So on and so forth. You get the idea. And that can be done pretty much like anything. And all you need to do is create a simple menu entry. And I found out this by somebody on Telegram asking me if it had SSB. And I didn't know. So actually I found the answer on the Peppermint forums. Kind of. It's not ice. But you know, it's quite cool. So if I want to go to the forum, I just give it time to wake up there. And as you can see, it's placed me straight into the forum. No problem whatsoever. Anyway, I hope you liked this little short video. Like and thumbs up the video if you want, thumbs up. Subscribe. Visit me on Patreon if you wish. And I will see you all soon. Thank you for watching.